Hello. This is a short introduction before I turn on my fully completed The Circle World wooden marble machine. The machine comes to me in unfinished parts from Vietnam, made of tropical white pine like these, both large and quite small, even tinier than that. This machine has over 200 wood parts, all milled on CNC routers. I have a third machine that has over 600 parts. Customers who buy these normally assemble them unfinished because staining and varnishing these parts are very difficult. I finished these machines using 5 coats of chemicals with sanding in between to produce what you see, a very glossy finish with stain as an accent. Finishing any pine in the world is a pain in the ass. I also have to deal with the extreme change in humidity from Vietnam to Palm Desert, which causes what I call desert warp. Since you won't be able to hear me when this machine is running, let me explain the main features. First, there are 16 wooden gears that actually lift the marble from a holding tray down at the bottom to the very top to this bowl. And this bowl has 4 holes in it, which distributes the marbles down into 5 towers. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and that one. I have this machine mounted on a turntable to show you the machine. I'll start the machine now. You won't be able to hear me because of the total chaos of the balls. Thank you for watching.